I love this one. VS News, Vancity Street creates sustainability in creatorship because we are telling the consumer community that they can be creators too. We are telling the creator community that they can thrive as a creator too. They do not need to starve. Creative development by changing creator consciousness, by accessing creator mindset. Because yeah, you can be a creator, but there is a huge difference between a creator and a creative entrepreneur. And that's why we directly address 3 different target audience, because VS News at Vancity Street, made by creators for creators. We understand the gap between consumer and creator, what it takes to, in mindset, to become that creator. We understand the gap between creator and business, what it takes to become a creative entrepreneur. And VS News at Vancity Street is designed to address all of those excuses, preventing the creator from self-realizing today. You don't gotta wait. All you gotta do is give yourself permission.